Hi, I'm Faith with Ciro. Thanks for watching our video series. Today, I want to introduce you to an exciting new item for the Indian and the Victory riders, our new Engine Guard Toe Rest. Our new Engine Guard Toe Rest is a super simple install. The only tool required is a 3/16 Allen. You'll get it adjusted about where you think it needs to go. Just snug the outside screw, and this gives you the opportunity to stop, get on the bike, get it adjusted exactly where you want it for your comfort position. So I've now got these adjusted exactly where I want them for my comfort level. And what you want to do is you want to tighten up the outside screw until the two halves come together. And then just simply tighten the inside. And it's as simple as that. I'm done. Simple repeat with the other side, and I'm ready to ride. So as you can see, this is a super simple install. I actually installed these Engine Guard Toe Rest on my bike just a few weeks ago. I've recently come back from a 1,900-mile trip, absolutely comfortable. What I really love about the Engine Guard Toe Rest, I really like the smooth outside contour. It definitely saves on the shins. I also like the rubber portion. It's designed with raised end to provide secure footing. Your foot's not going to slip off. With the amount of leg room on my Indian motorcycle, the Engine Guard Toe Rest is absolutely perfect for me. And in fact, these are such a simple install, even a guy could do it. I like that online. I like that.